Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and today I am doing a collaboration with my friend Anne from Annie Ever After, who was previously Annie's Simple Life. I have been following her channel for a very long time. I love her content because it includes some of my favorite things, such as Disney and essential oils and healthy living and healthy cooking. So in this collab, we are going to be preparing a very quick and easy meal for me in a crock pot, and it's supposed to be 5 minutes or less. And when she reached out to me about this collab, I immediately knew what recipe I was going to share with you guys. If you have been following my vlogs, you may have seen this one before because I tried it for the first time a couple of months ago and literally have made it every week since because A, you can make it in less than 5 minutes, B, everyone in my house loves it, and C, it is relatively healthy. So I really think that you guys are going to love what I am making today. I am going to be filming this early in the morning, so please excuse what my husband calls the coronavirus robe. You'll see in a second. It's a Vera Bradley robe that I bought a few years ago, and it literally looks like pictures of the coronavirus little, whatever the symbol is for it, the little organism that it's supposed to look like. It's all over my robe. All right, without further ado, let's get to making this 5 minute or less crock pot meal. Okay, so this is the recipe that we're going to do today. It is the slow cooker pulled pork stuffed sweet potatoes. I am certain this is not even going to take 5 minutes to put together because it is just so quick and easy. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below so that you guys can have access to it. But basically what you need is 2.5 pounds of a pork shoulder, or 2 to 3 pounds. And then you need, it says 4 sweet potatoes. I do 1 sweet potato per person, and we usually have 6 people. So I have 6 sweet potatoes, some cooking oil, Himalayan sea salt, pepper, and 2 garlic cloves and 1 bay leaf. This also requires 2 teaspoons of hickory liquid smoke. I don't even know what that is, and I've never used it, so it still works out just fine. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to brown this in a skillet. This part is not necessary, but I do it only because it's super easy for me, because my crock pot has the ability to brown and sear meat, so I can just throw it in there with some cooking oil, sear it for just a couple of minutes, and then just throw the rest of the stuff in. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm about to take the pork out and shred it, but the best part of this, I think, is the toppings. So make sure you have some barbecue sauce or some shredded cheese or some sour cream, which is what I like to put on top of mine. But what we're going to do now is take out the potatoes, shred the pork, and then I cut the potatoes open and put the pork on top of the potatoes and then put a topping on. So it's really just kind of a fun and super easy dinner to make. Okay, it's a little dark in here, but you can see I just shredded up the pork right in the crock pot. And then you put on the topping of your choice. And that is dinner. So quick and easy, and honestly, this is definitely a family favorite. So that was definitely a great success. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel and coming over from Anne's channel, thank you so much for checking out my video today, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing. I do share a lot of fun lifestyle type of content on my channel, including lots of things about the old Victorian home that I live in. I also share some Disney magic because I am a Disney travel agent. That's like my real job. So I share a lot of that, and just a lot of hauls and recipes and favorites. So lots of good stuff going on over here at Jen's Happy Home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thank you so much to Anne for collaborating with me on this video. Definitely go and check out her video as well. I will have it linked below so that you can see what she made, because we can never have enough 5-minute or less meals to make. I am always rushing when I'm making dinner. There's always so much going on. Even in lockdown, I feel that I am so busy at dinner time. So I think it's something we can all truly appreciate. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.